Clogging is the most common problem in 3D printing. If there is a clicking sound, or the printing effect is not good, you need to clean the nozzle.
Step 1. Tap Prepare. Change filament. Unload filament. And wait until the filament is unloaded. Step 2. Press the tube fitting on the hot end, the blue part. While holding it down, pull out the filament tube. Step 3. Go to temperature and select Preheat PLA. The nozzle will heat up to 240 degrees Celsius. If the clog is severe, you can select PTG instead, which heats to a higher temperature for better unclogging. Step 4. Take the cleaning needle from the accessory kit. Insert it through the tube fitting and move it up and down to clear the blockage. Warning: the nozzle is very hot. Do not touch it with your hands. Step 5. Reinsert the filament tube and make sure it is pushed all the way in. If the tube is not fully inserted, clogging may occur again. Step 6. Reload the filament and check whether it extrudes smoothly. If not, repeat the cleaning process. If the problem still persists, you can simply replace the nozzle. It's quick and easy.